Welcome to Medical Therapeutic Yoga with Dr. Ginger Garner. Two-tier approach. In this video, we're going to learn how to fold a two-tier approach using the quarter fold blanket configuration. You'll need your yoga mat and 2 yoga blankets. Mexican-style blankets work wonderfully. Take the first blanket and open it up to where it is folded once on the short side, as I'm demonstrating here. From this position, fold it over once, allowing the edges to meet symmetrically. And then fold it again in the opposite direction, which would make it a quarter fold. Fold the other blanket the same way, taking care to fold them both symmetrically. It helps, and I highly recommend making sure the blankets are identical in dimensions for a best fit. Once you have both blankets folded, they're staggered on top of one another, as I'm showing here. The quarter fold configuration that creates the two-tier approach, as you see here, is used for seated postures, like the one I'm about to demonstrate. Easy seated pose, supported with blocks. It is also used for positions like staff pose, where the legs need to be straight. I'll demonstrate it from a second angle. You can see that the sitting bones or the ischial tuberosities are at the edge of the top tier, cascading over so that the hamstrings and the neural and vascular structures aren't excessively compressed. The two-tier approach lessens the compression on those vital structures, from fascia to neural and vascular structures in the back of the legs, including the hamstrings and the sciatic nerve, for example. Thank you for joining me.